All right, we have a very special guest here today, Adriel from My Japan Direct, and he brought his very special car here today. And just a little background about My Japan Direct, if you guys don't know it, they bring a lot of the JDM parts here, especially the aero parts. So you'll see a lot of these very rare aero parts. It's very difficult to get in the US. My Japan Direct brings them all the way from Japan to the States so that us Americans can enjoy it. Yeah, let's start off with what car this is.
This is a 2022 Toyota GR86.
So it's a 2022. I didn't even know Toyota made GR86 in 2022. I thought it started from 2023. So this gotta be one of the very first ones that landed in the States, I'm assuming.
Yeah. So I got a red one. I originally wanted a white one, but all they had was a red one, and so I just took it and ran with it.
Nice. Is this your first red car?
No. Actually, I've had two previous other red cars.
Really? Okay.
One of them was a first gen 86.
Nice.
And then I had an ND Miata.
Yeah.
And fun fact, I really wanted a white one for my first 86.
Yeah.
Ended up getting a red one.
Wow.
And then I wanted a white one for this GR86.
Yeah.
And ended up getting a red one as well.
Hey, that's so funny. It's like the red is your calling.
I guess so. I can't run away from it.
So, yeah, you did some stuff to it. Can you tell the viewers what you've done to it?
Sure. So yeah, I've done obviously some lighting. I have the Alpha X headlights here, and then the Valenti taillights in the back. And then I have some suspension and TE37s, as you can see right here.
What kind of suspension do you have?
I have the Apex N1 coilovers.
Oh, nice.
And the exhaust in the back is also Apex. I have a single exit, and obviously the biggest piece right here I have is the C-West body kit. I have the front lip right here, imported by My Japan Direct, the side skirts, and even the rear diffuser in the back.
So this is a one piece that's just painted in two different colors.
Correct. So I actually two-toned it. If you go on the C-West website or even My Japan Direct, it's one color. I just decided to two-tone it so that, you know, it gives a little bit of depth.
That is cool. So why did you pick a C-West kit out of all the other cool kits that comes from Japan?
Well, they did a lot of R&D with their Time Attack car, you know, and they have the Super Taikyu and all these other track-oriented experience. So they put it into this, and all that research and development, you know, makes you appreciate the kit a little bit more. And yeah, I kind of want that on my car.
All right, that's cool. So not only does it look good, it actually performs, gives you more downforce.
Correct.
And it's a less drag, maybe a little more drag, but not as much as the downforces that it adds.
Yeah. I mean,
that's
it's
cool.
Obviously functional. They did a lot of research on it, so
nice.
It does help out.
Yeah. Do you track your car?
I have only a couple times, but this is mostly my daily driver, and you know, I enjoy it on the street.
Nice. Yeah. Looks great too.
Thank you.
Cool. Tell me about your wheel setup.
So these are TE37s. They're 18 by 9.5 plus 43. Right now it's wrapped with 245, 35, but in the future I think I can fit a 255, so I wanted to go thicker on the car itself.
Is it a special type of T37? Because the spokes look a little different.
Oh yeah, this is the Saga S Plus. So originally they had the T37 Saga SL, and you know, and they have the SL model, but this is the S Plus model. Just, you know, a little different. It has a little engraving instead of the sticker, and your plain spokes.
Do you have special brake pads on here? Because I see it's light green.
Yeah, it's just Project Mu, just their street pads. It's pretty good.
Yeah,
stops the car.
That's good.
So
are those factory spoiler?
This one is, this one is OEM. That one came with the car when I picked it up. So, I mean, I like the small touch to it.
Yeah.
It gives it a little more.
Very clean. And you say you got Valenti tail lights.
Yeah.
Is that also Valenti on the bottom?
No, this one is Alpha X, and yes, my taillights are Valentis. I also have the trunk bar light from Alpha X.
Yeah, those are super cool. Lights up all the way through, right?
Yeah, it lights up all the way, so it kind of fills in the little boomerang from the Valentis.
Nice. Anything we missed?
No, I think we're all good. Yeah, honestly, that's pretty much all the exterior. And that's all.
So what's next in your build here?
It's gonna be the C-West pieces, the extra C-West pieces, so the over fenders and the wing. That would be next, and maybe, you know, a little touch here and there, maybe like a little window visor.
No forced induction?
Yes, I'm already supercharged, so.
Oh, you're already supercharged.
Yeah.
Oh. Hey, he missed that part, dude. Can we take a look at your hood?
Yeah, sure. We can pop the hood. So yeah, this is it's supercharged by Vortec.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm still trying to figure out how to manage this stuff daily, so I'm not trying to push it too hard anymore.
Is that Orito's signature?
Yeah, I have Max Orito's signature. He did take a look into the hood.
Nice.
a
Was
while
it
back.
from the recent event at Chuckwalla?
No, it was actually way before that. And when they first came in for that Alpha X meet.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Yeah, and I already had the supercharger then, so
Nice.
it's been like 40K miles with the supercharger.
Oh, it's 40K. Oh, you drove that much? Already?
Yeah, the car has a total of 65,
Wow.
around 65, 66K miles.
It's been pretty solid?
It's been pretty solid. I mean,
Nice.
it's still here, and fingers
Wow.
crossed that it lives forever.
Yeah. How about when you went to the track? You didn't have any hit issues?
I did have one issue. One issue. I think it overheated, and the hose over here popped, but we were able to square it back up.
Okay,
So.
nice. Have a nice strut bar.
Strut
I
bar
haven't
from-
seen Blitz products for a while, so it's nice to see it again.
And that's pretty much it.
Nice. That is
Thank you, thank you.
cool. And at the moment, your audio system is bone stock?
Bone stock
Okay,
until
bone-
today.
Yes, until today. We are installing our DSP amplifier. It's all plug and play. And we have a lot of videos out on YouTube already on how to install it and all the difference it makes. So shall we go inside your car and give it a listen?
Yes, let's go listen.
Yeah, let's do it.
And let's
All right. Yeah.
turn on the car real
Yes.
quick.
Don't turn on the engine though, because we're inside.
Yes, yes. Yeah, you don't want to get all the smoke over.
No, we're all gonna be fainting in the video.
Yes, yes,
Yes.
So you can fire it up. I got a couple. Let's play a little bit of music here. Yeah,
okay,
it's pretty
cool.
good.
So so can you share with like the difference that you hear? I know that was a very short clip, and to get the full experience, you do have to drive your car a bit, listen to it, and
Right,
kind of
right.
hear with the road noise and all that. But what's some first impressions that you get from this new audio?
Yeah, I mean, I could definitely hear a lot more. I do listen to a lot of different kinds of genres. So some with intricate beats, some with electronic stuff. So I'm excited to just drive it around because this is my daily driver. I'm going to be
Awesome.
driving this every day, and just want to turn up the volume and blast music on
right
it.
on. And if you guys want to get some first-hand reaction, some review from Adriel here, we'll leave you his Instagram handle. You can DM him directly. Don't bombard him too much because he's a very busy guy, but he'll be very happy to answer all your questions.
Yes.
And what he thinks about it. So, all right.
Well,
yeah,
thank you very
I think
much.
That's it. Thank you very much for
Yeah,
bringing your
thank
car
you.
here. So, and look forward to doing more collaboration
Yes.
and more events together in the future.
We'll definitely see each other around.
Yes.
So
And for all of you guys, if you haven't yet, help our channel, give us that thumbs up and subscribe to that button. Thank you very much, and we'll see you guys on the next video.
see ya.
Look, I don't take no losses.